All right, so let's get started. I welcome you all to IMG International Marketing Group. We're gonna talk about membership orientation or the basic about financial education. So in IMG, it is where innovation meets inspiration. So before we'll start, let me introduce myself so that you'll know me a little bit about myself then. So I'm Antoinette Bautista Sinita. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Biology at Cebu Normal University. And before IMG, I was an employee sa call center. So I started as a call center agent and got promoted to team leader. So and before I was doing IMG as my part-time lang, part-time financial educator like after work or during day off ko, ayan, nagpa-part-time kasi mahirap yung walang extra income, no? Yung sahod mo lang yung inaasahan mo ng family mo, medyo yon, gipit ka. So mas maganda kung may extra ka kasi nakakapag-save more ka, nakakapag-invest more ka. And since last year, to 2019 of February, I already fired my job, my boss, and left my job, resigned from my job, and talagang nagfo-full-time na ako dito sa IMG. So, that was one of the best moments sa buhay ko kasi naka-afford eh, 'di ba? Naka-afford na to fire your boss. Ang dami ngayon na hindi pa rin kahit hindi nila gusto yung trabaho nila, 'di ba? Napipilitan lang kasi wala silang choice, walang option. So I welcome you no in advance to IMG for taking the first step no in learning about financial literacy, and maybe if you'll decide this may be something that can also help you and guide you and your family to get to where you wanted to be in life no kasi wala naman talagang yumayaman sa pagtatrabaho no, ayan, so dito tuturuan ka, hindi yung amo mo yung yayaman kundi ikaw no. But it doesn't happen instantly, no? Hindi po siya automatic. Baka sabihin nyo, baka may mga nag-inquire dito nag-attend na paano mag-invest sa dito, 'di ba? Sa Jollibee, ayan, tapos baka sabihin, baka iniisip nyo na instant to, 'di ba? So wala pong instant dito. No? Mag-aral muna kayo how it works, and then once you know about it na, then you apply what you learn. So it doesn't mean na mag-invest ka ngayon, gagawin mo to, tapos bukas agad yayaman, milyonaryo ka na. Di ba? Hindi po ganon. So I am one of the licensed financial educators of IMG, a full-time, and a certified life license underwriter as well from the life insurance company, and also one of the executive vice chairman of IMG. So this is now my full-time business career. So let me introduce to you and share with you know what IMG really is, and bakit ba parang ang famous na ng company na to. Ano nga ba yung IMG? Nakikita ko sa YouTube, sa Google, sa Facebook, post ng friend ko or post by someone else. Dami nilang pinopost about IMG. Ano nga ba tong company na to? So I'll give you a little details about our company, which is International Marketing Group. We are known right now due to social media. It's because we are one of the biggest and fastest na financial service companies dito sa Pinas. So aside from the fact na we introduce or we help people to get the right financial needs, nagtuturo din po tayo ng financial literacy. So, yun yung pinaka main or highlight natin sa company. No, we guide people from all walks of life. Kahit high school graduate man yan or high school level or kahit naka-professional na yan, kahit business owner pa yan. So all of us need financial education, proper financial education. And we also assist Filipinos who want to help themselves achieve financial security through financial education and building a proper financial foundation. So, kung gusto lang, 'di ba? Hindi po lahat, no? IMG is for everyone, but not everyone is for IMG kasi hindi naman lahat ng mga tao or lahat ng mga Pinoy gusto din mabago yung buhay nila, 'di ba? Yung iba kontento lang, di ba? So, yung gustong tulungan yung sarili nila na mabago yung sitwasyon nila at maabot yung mga pangarap nila, yan, nandito si IMG. Pero yung iba na hindi muna, so nandyan na muna kayo. Okay? Ayan. So we have already established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry at makikita nyo po yan later on. Okay? And we have been able to help thousands of associates take advantages of the IMG opportunity with a flexible time, commitment, and schedule. So ito yung nagustuhan ko when I heard about this company, and I also attended before ng financial class na ganito, pero hindi online. Kasi before ng pandemic, meron naman talaga tayong financial centers where you go to the office and attend a seminar. Pero ngayon, dahil sa, yun nga, COVID-19, sa virus, bawal yung maraming tao, kailangan naka-social distance ka. So, nasa Zoom tayo ngayon, di ba, naka-online. So, but the information is still the same. It's still also like this. So, yung nagustuhan ko sa company nito kasi flexible, no? Flexible yung time mo. So, kahit like ako sa call center, sometimes yung duty ko before, morning shift ako. Sometimes night shift din, 'di ba? Sometimes nag-iiba-iba din yung mga day off ko. But it doesn't matter kasi sa IMG, if you wanna do part-time here, depende naman sa'yo. No? Wala din commitment sa mga time and scheduling mo kung kailan ka lang pwede. So, that's what I love about becoming part of this company. And lastly, we already have a proven system that helps you build a successful business. In any business na gusto mong pasukan or gusto mong mag-part-time, okay, kailangan maintindihan mo yung system. Kasi if you know how the system works, yun yung isa sa mga reason na long-term yung business na pinasukan mo. So wag ka lang ma-attract dahil may nag-offer sa'yo na double your money, di ba? In 1 month or 2 months, tapos after naman ng 1 year, wala na yung company, di ba? So, make sure na you are financially educated para, in short, hindi ka ma-scam. Kasi yung pera mo, di ba, dugot pawis din yan. Hindi mo naman yan pinupulot lang. So, put value on the money that you save and invest, no? So, para sa akin, in my experience for like 7 years, no, being with IMG, walang masascam talaga pag ang tao is may alam sa financial, no? So, nasa-scam yung ibang mga Pinoy kasi hindi sila financially educated eh. Hindi nila alam how money works, di ba? Ano ba yung tamang pamamaraan sa pag-earn ng profit sa isang investment mo, no? And financial education, it is where it's needed, no? Yun, wag kang ma-attract, no? Kasi very important yan. So, IMG, we started around 1998, no, dito sa Philippines. But worldwide, coming from the US, we're already like 30 plus years na. And for that years, we have been helping na a lot of Filipinos. And isa ako doon, di ba? Kasi yung course ko naman, ang layo-layo guys, no? BS Biology. In terms of mga sciences, a little bit of math, meron akong alam dyan. Pero in terms of mga financial terms and financial process, wala talaga akong alam. Kaya when I attended at the office, yun yung isa sa reason why I joined and became part of this organization. Kasi bago parang di ko alam yung mga terms na to. Pwede pala na maging investor ka sa Jollibee, no? 1,000 lang pwede pala. Yung mga ganon, di ba? So, kung first time ka nag-attend ngayon and gusto mong matuto, then this company is really the right company for you to get started. Okay, so right now we have a global campaign for financial education and we have this mission, no? 30 million Filipino families should be financially educated by the year 2030. So, ang laki-laki ng 30 million. Dahil right now, yung na-educate natin is around 2 million pa po. So, we still have 28 million to really work hard and really campaign more. No, as long as may Pinoy, kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, then pwede kang itulungan ng IMG. But yung 30 million, napakalayo naman siya, or napakaliit naman niya compared naman sa total ng mga Pinoy, di ba? We are around 105 million ngayon. So, kung titingnan natin, di ba, if we're gonna take it at a larger scale, meaning, Filipinos pa lang, parang ang dami pa palang hindi financially educated. And I believe na ikaw na nag-attend right now and your family will already be part of the 30 million financially educated. So, of course, palakpakan mo naman yung sarili mo, di ba? I-congratulate mo yung sarili mo, di ba? Baka ito na yung hinahanap mo at sagot sa mga prayers mo, di ba? Kasi ang dami dito na answered prayer din yung IMG na naging financially educated din sila. And of course, pag natulungan ka na, natuto ka na, wag mo namang sarilihin, di ba? I-share mo naman sa mga kakilala mo, especially mga relatives mo, di ba? Mga friends mo, kasi iba din pag yumaman ka tapos ikaw lang, di ba? At the end of the day, Huwag yumaman ka, tapos ikaw lang, tapos yung mga relatives mo hindi, di ba? Pag nangangailangan sila ng pera, pupunta din yan sa'yo. So, tulungan mo na lang as early as now. Di ba? I-share mo din yung concept ng financial literacy para lahat-lahat tayo is magiging successful. Okay, so these two books, guys, na nakikita niyo sa screen, these are two of the books na very powerful yung concepts nito, no, what's inside in the book, na ma-apply, magagamit niyo at ma-apply niyo sa sarili niyong decision sa finances niyo. So make sure na after this financial class is meron ka talagang copy ng book na to, okay? For this blue one, you can get this one, no, once you become part of IMG na. It's The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Diba? Title pa lang, The Secret na. So the secret is now available to you, ano? What we've learned, you will also learn. The good thing about this book is ano siya, very basic yung mga terms na ginagamit. So hindi siya, madali siyang maintindihan kahit hindi naka-college yung bumabasa nito, no? And very concise din and very precise, very specific yung advice niya, no? And related din siya sa mga Pinoy. Kasi yung example nito, may mga talk about, dito sa book na to ha, meron siya mga terms like SSS, mga PhilHealth, mga pag-ibig, di ba, usual na government benefits. So, iba kasi pag yung libro na binabasa mo is from other countries, di ba? There are a lot of mga libro na magaganda din. But the author is coming from other countries. Yung example nila, di ba, sa country kung nasaan din sila. Example sa US, di ba? And it doesn't relate to Philippine setting. So ito pang Pinoy talaga. So make sure you will have a copy of this. And for the workbook naman, it's a workshop. No, it's a workshop na class siya tapos may pa-exam to assess your personal financial history, no? Kung kumusta na ba, 'di ba? For how many years ka na nagtatrabaho at magkano na ba yung naipon mo? Or baka yung tanong is how many years ka nang nagtatrabaho at magkano na yung nagastos mo, di ba? Compared sa naipon mo. Especially right now, guys, di ba? Christmas, ang daming sale, di ba? Ngayong Sabado po, 12/12, Lazada, Shopee, at mga airline company. So make sure na this year, even if pandemic, hindi ka magkakamali sa 13th month mo, di ba? Kasi ang dami ng 13th months na dumaan lang, no? This time, wag mo nang padaanin, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Sikapin mo na yung 13th month mo, aabot 'yan kahit 3 to 5 years after ng buhay mo, no? So, kung noon for the past years yung 13th month mo, nag-shopping ka, 'di ba? Bumili ka ng gadget, nagpa-repair ka or binili ka ng ganito, ganyan sa mga anak mo. This time, i-save mo, i-invest mo. Kasi pag sinave mo siya at in-invest mo siya, long term yan. Diba? Aabot yan ng 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Nandun pa rin yung 13th month mo. But of course, you need to be financially educated para matutunan mo yung mga bagay na ganyan. Okay, so right now I'll introduce to you our vision, mission, and what we do. So again, we are in the financial industry. We are a financial brokerage company, and we bring the secrets of the wealthy to all. And our mission is to make difference for families para wala talagang pamilyang Pilipino na magkakaroon ng kasi ako personally before I met IMG, parang yung alam ko lang kasi yung province ko is Bohol, parang yung alam ko lang is yung mga pang-invest diyan sa mga Jollibee, parang pangmayaman lang, di ba? Parang di yan pwede sa amin kasi paano lang naman kami, di ba? Pero through IMG, parang yung secrets of the wealthy, pwede pala kahit say no, di ba? So make sure na your family will not be left behind. And what we do, ayan, we move people from dreaming to doing, no? So by bringing financial concepts. So kung tingin mo ngayon yung pangarap mo parang wala ng pag-asa, 'di ba? Sa IMG mabibigyan ng chance 'yan, 'di ba? So wag kang mawala ng pag-asa, 'di ba? Kaya mo pang makamit yung mga pangarap na yan. Baka kasi nawalan ka na ng pag-asa kasi yung trabaho mo ganito lang, 'di ba? Nagkakaanak ka na, tapos yung dream mo before na ganito sana hindi na natupad, no? So sa IMG, balikan natin 'yan, 'di ba? Ibalik natin yung dream na 'yan na baka nakalimutan mo na lang dahil sa mga pagsubok na na-encounter mo. Okay, so these are our financial centers, guys. So after ng pandemic or even right now, you can check it out. Pero yun nga, wala pang available na training and by schedule pa yung pag-visit natin dahil sa pandemic. Okay, let's now go ahead and talk about, eto na, very focused na to in terms of the basic of the financial education or financial literacy. This is one of the realities in life, 'di ba? Ang daming mga challenges na na-encounter natin sa buhay. And even before ng pandemic, ang dami ng mga pagsubok na hinarap natin, 'di ba? Mas siguro sa most of us right now, mas grabe yung na-experience natin na challenge this year kasi marami yung hindi naka-prepare. Especially sa, of course, 'di ba, sa virus na COVID-19, sa pandemic na 'to. So marami yung nawalan ng trabaho, marami yung um, na napilitan, 'di ba, na mag-resign from the company or na lay off, or kung nakapag-save in advance na nakuha na nagamit yung savings kasi hindi naka-create ng emergency funds. And marami din na umasa lang sa gobyerno, 'di ba? Kaya kung if you're gonna look back, ang daming nating nakikitang post sa Facebook noon, 'di ba, na bakit ito lang yung natanggap ko, 'di ba? Oh, bigas lang at sardinas, yung iba may 6,000, di ba? Ang dami-daming nagreklamo. Okay? So, right now, after you attend or after mong mapakinggan tong mga challenging future na i-discuss ko, make sure na wala ka ng reason to really be shocked sa next na financial crisis or next na mga challenges na ma-encounter natin kasi napaghandaan mo. Isa dyan, ito yung uncertain labor market, no? So, ito yung automation na work. So, most of the time right now, pinapalitan na tayo ng mga robots, no? Mga automated na machines. So, kung nagtatrabaho ka, for example, sa isang fast food chain, sa isang department store, tapos cashier ka, or example, sa call center, no, where I worked before, there will be a possibility na papalitan ka na, 'di ba? So magtatanggalan yan ng mga empleyado tapos papalitan ng mga machines. So kung yan yung trabaho mo, is you really need to prepare. So wag kang maghanda or mag-prepare kung nandun ka na sa sitwasyon. Ngayon pa lang na wala pa, paghandaan mo na. Especially kung yun lang yung source of income mo, 'di ba? Napaka critical, no, kung titingnan natin. Tapos ikaw pa yung breadwinner ng family. Number 2, low savings and high debt, no? Kung may utang ka ngayon na nag-i-interest, okay? Yung goal natin is walain yung utang mo, 'di ba? Baliktarin natin 'to. Once you become part of IMG, kailangan mataas na yung savings mo, tapos wala ka ng utang, 'di ba? Kasi mas maganda siguro yung buhay na wala kang iniisip na babayarin, 'di ba? Hindi mo naiisipin si Juna at si Judith, 'di ba? So, mas maganda siguro pag ganun, 'di ba? Makakatulog ka ng maayos, 'di ba? Gigising ka ng maganda yung gising mo kasi wala kang babayarin eh, wala kang parang hahabulin na uy sa 15, sa 30 ganito na naman, may mga bayarin na naman, 'di ba? So, in terms of utang din, ito yung isa sa mga rason na hindi tayo nakakapag-retire ng maaga or kahit matanda na tayo is hindi tayo nakakapag-retire. Kasi instead na nag-prepare ka sana sa retirement mo na kapag na makapag-retire ka ng maaga is nauubos yung pera mo sa pagbayad sa mga utang. One of my advice sa mga I know naman na hindi lahat kayo na nag-attend right now may mga utang, 'di ba? Alam ko naman din na meron dito na wala ding utang, 'di ba? So sa mga may utang lang or baka in the future magkautang ka, so para ma-avoid mo. Dalawa lang yung way para mawala yung utang mo or hindi ka makautang, 'di ba? Number 1 is of course mag-increase ka ng income. Kung one source of income lang yung meron ka is hanap ka ng iba, 'di ba? May extra time ka naman sa isang araw, 'di ba? Or sa day off mo, no ba yung ginagawa mo? Baka nagsasayang ka lang ng oras. So, pwede sa IMG, part-time mo yan like ginawa ko before. Yun yung pinakauna, earn extra income. Second is matuto ka ring mag-budget, 'di ba? Kasi tayong mga Pinoy, pag nag-increase yung income natin or yung salary natin, parang yung way of life natin nag-i-increase din, 'di ba? So, kung iisipin nyo right now, maglo-look back kayo ba? I don't know kung makaka-remember ka pa. Yung sahod mo before, nag 10,000 or 20,000 ka lang monthly, di ba, okay lang naman yung buhay mo, di ba? Nakakapag-adjust naman, nakaka-survive. Nung naging 30,000 or 40,000 na yung monthly income mo, which is tumaas yung sahod mo, parang yung buhay mo ganun pa rin, di ba? Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Kasi noon, 'di ba? Nag tayo, nagko-cook lang tayo sa bahay. Tapos 'di ba, we bring food sa office natin, no? May baon tayo. Pero nag-increase na yung sahod natin, hindi na tayo nagdadala ng mga food, 'di ba? Saan tayo pupunta? Restaurant, 'di ba? Fast food, 'di ba? So, nag-increase na yung lifestyle. So, make sure naka-budget ka, and even mag-increase yung income mo, same pa din yung lifestyle mo. Okay? Number 3, this is the high cost of education. Of course, kung may mga anak kayo ngayon na pinapaaral, alam niyo talaga na nag-i-increase yung tuition fees, no? Especially ng high school and college ng mga anak natin. Of course, baka iniisip mo ngayon, student, bakit ko pa iisipin ng ganyan? Single pa ako, di ba? Or wala pa nga akong anak, di ba? So siguro ngayon, di ba? Pero kung may plano kang magpakasal or magkaanak in the future, kailangan namang mag-prepare ka dun sa time na mag-college na yung anak mo. Ngayon, mag-prepare ka na, di ba? Actually, pwede ka na mag-create ng pang education fund, di ba, sa anak mo kahit newly born pa yan. So, ito, isa sa pinaka-common, di ba, sa Pinas na sitwasyon na hindi nakakapag-aral yung mga anak nila kasi walang panggastos yung parents, 'di ba? Sa pang high school or pang college. Kaya marami yung mga hindi nakakapag-aral ng college hanggang high school lang, 'di ba? Tapos after high school is humahanap na ng trabaho, no? Nagtatrabaho na. So make sure na yung anak mo in the future, hindi sila mapipilitan na magtrabaho and magagawa nila yung pag-college nila na gusto nila, sa school na gusto nila, kasi napaghandaan mo, ikaw as a parent, no? So kung wala ka, sabi nga na isang kaibigan ko, no? Recently, may nakausap ako, sabi niya na, kung wala kang planong bigyan ng magandang buhay yung anak mo, wag ka na lang mag-anak, di ba? Sabi niya, no? So may point din naman siya, di ba? Kasi as magulang or sa parent, responsibility mo yan, di ba? So, yan, especially sa mga single na nakikinig right now, so make sure no na you will give your future kids a good life, no, the time na mag high school and college sila. And even sa mga married na right now or may mga anak na, no, do the same. Number 4, ito na yung pinaka-last, ito yung increasing cost of living, no? So ayan, ito na yung pang-last guys. Baka tulog na kayo dyan, ha? Kasi time na, 7 na. So, yan, mag-chat nga kayo kung gising pa kayo dyan, no? You can take down notes, no? Para ito yung magiging guide nyo sa, sa financial nyo. So, in the Philippines naman, kasi wala naman tayo sa ibang country, di ba? Talagang nagtataasan na yung mga presyo ng mga bilihin, guys, no? Isa sa mga pinaka-the best example ko talaga dito, every time I conduct financial classes, itong presyo ng bigas, no? Before, yung 1,000, yung 100 pesos natin, nakakabili pa yan ng mga 4 to 5 kilos ng rice. Kasi noon, di ba, meron pang mga 16 pesos per kilo, may mga 20 pesos pa. Sa panahon nga ng lolo ko, sabi niya, may pa daw, 12 pesos, di ba? Ng mama ko. So, ganun ba, di ba? So, along the way, as years go by, nagmamahalan, di ba? Pero ang tanong, yung income mo, tumataas ba din para ma-cope up yung presyo ng mga bilihin? O kung isa ka sa mga nagbabudget sa bahay nyo, ikaw yung nagro-grocery, or example, maybe you're single, you do your own grocery. May napansin ba kayo sa presyo ng bigas, guys? Magkano na yung per kilo? Na-shock talaga ako kasi yung ganador is 50 pesos pa lang within I think, mga March or April, no? Around this year lang. Tapos, mga couple of months na naging 52 pesos na per kilo. 'Di ba? In just how many months lang, 2 pesos yung increase per kilo. That's a lot if you buy like 10 kilos, 'di ba? So, And alam ko na hindi na talaga yan magdi-decrease along the way. Magdi-decrease man yan pero pataas pa talaga. So kung yung income ko before, let's say I was earning like, let's say January of 2020, let's say yung monthly income ko is 10,000 pesos. So, let's say yung budget ko na 1,000 is for my grocery, 'di ba? Tapos yung bigas ko diyan, example, that's around 5 or 10 kilos. So, may increase na 2 pesos. So, kailangan yung income ko as of this time, hindi na dapat 10,000. Dapat nag-increase na din siya. Kasi nag-increase yung presyo ng bigas. Bigas lang yan. Di pa natin kinakalculate yung presyo ng gulay, di ba? Yung presyo ng mga, ng mga other needs natin, di ba? So, very basic but very small changes, but it can actually help you a lot and it can make big changes in the future. So be aware no of those mga challenges na nai-encounter po natin. Okay? And even in the future, no? Right now we encountered it, in the future, the next year, 5, 10 years, it will be the same challenges. So make sure, ito naman challenges sa finances yung pinag-uusapan natin, no? Sa buhay naman, ang daming challenges, di ba? Hindi na natin yan ma-reiterate kung ilan yung mga challenges na na-encounter natin sa buhay natin. Okay, so here at IMG, we will guide and teach you on how to control your future. Of course, regarding sa buhay naman, Diyos lang naman yung nakakaalam, di ba? Siya naman yung may hawak talaga ng buhay natin. But in terms of finances, you can do control your financial future. No, you can. And dito sa IMG, tuturuan ka. Okay? Aside from me or the person who recommended you, kasi mga financial mentors nyo din sila, they can guide and assist you. Pero ikaw talaga yung kailangan na matuto. No, kami is ano lang kami, i-share lang namin kung ano yung mga na-learn din namin as long as you will follow it. Pero mas maganda talaga kung ikaw mismo is knowledgeable about it. Kasi without anyone, if you know how to do it and you are financially educated, matatransfer mo din yan at matiteach mo sa mga kapatid mo, di ba, sa parents mo or sa mga anak mo. So the future is not in your hands, in the hands of your employer, your union or government, not even in your banks. No, it's in your hands. But you need to be educated enough to know how to make more money, to save and invest or accumulate your money, and how to protect your money as well. So in IMG, we will teach you how to become your own money manager so that you'll be able to understand how money works and how to make money work for you. So, pwede talaga, no? And through this book, you can make it happen. Next na pinaka-the best na topic, okay, na natutunan ko din dito sa company na to is meron tayong steps na fina-follow in terms of building a solid financial foundation. So, dahil sa pandemic, we met a lot of mga kababayan, especially abroad, through Zoom then. And mostly no sa mga tanong nila, Miss Antoinette, ano ba yung magandang negosyo na papasukan ngayon? 'Di ba? Ano ba yung magandang gawin sa pera ko ngayon? Kasi may extra ako na income, may extra ako na pera. Anong mas magandang gawin dito? So, kung titingnan natin yung pag-build sa solid na financial foundation, like building a house, build wealth from the ground and going up, 'di ba? So kailangan manggaling siya dito sa pinakababa hanggang sa pinakataas. So increase cash flow first and then last yung investment. So sa tanong no ng mga kababayan natin, ano yung magandang negosyo, magandang pasukan, pinaka-last po siya, no? And normal lang din naman siya na tanong kasi lahat naman tayo is gustong, 'di ba, yumaman, gustong maka-earn ng extra income, gustong kumita, 'di ba? Kasi kulang nga yung sahod natin. So it's actually a right question. But it's not a proper way for you to build wealth and to have a solid financial foundation. Kasi kung titingnan mo, let's say wala ka pang extra income, hindi mo pa na-increase yung cash flow mo, wala ka pang healthcare insurance, 'di ba? Paano na lang magkasakit? Wala ka pang life insurance, paano na lang kung kunin ng maaga ni Lord? Anong mangyayari sa family? Paano na lang kung hindi mo pa nababayaran yung mga utang mo? Sinong magbabayad niyan? Yung mga anak mo, yung partner mo, yung wife or your husband, 'di ba? Paano na lang kung walang emergency fund? Paano na lang kung may second wave, 'di ba? Or paano kung may another crisis or another, let's say, pandemic, no, years to come? Di natin alam 'di ba? So, dumiretso ka sa investment, 'di ba? So, kung wala ka pa dito sa baba, itong top 5 na to, lahat ng ininvest mo, 'di ba? Mawi-withdraw mo 'yan. Kasi pambayad mo sa hospital, 'di ba? Kukunin 'yan ng family mo kasi of course, especially kung wala kang na-prepare in terms of memorial, 'di ba? May utang ka. So kukunin 'yan pambayad sa utang mo, 'di ba? Yung ininvest mo is may nangyari na naman na crisis, kukunin na naman 'yan kasi walang pera. So if you try to check, meron talaga siyang steps na fina-follow, 'di ba? And you just need to follow it. Follow exactly what we are teaching, what the company is teaching, because this company has an expertise in terms of financial management and financial education. So when I knew about this, ito lang din yung finalo ko. Actually, at first, guys, mahirap, di ba? Alam niyo bakit mahirap siyang i-follow? Kasi wala sa atin yung pag-save and invest na consistent eh. Hindi natin siya habit. Yung habit natin, pag-spend, no? Hindi na tayo kailangan turuan sa paggastos. Pero yung pag-save, talagang challenging. Not unless if nahabit mo na siya. But you just need to follow it. So, try right now to have a self-assessment. Saan sa foundation na to ang meron ka na at wala ka pa? Because you need to have everything here. From ground going up. So, kung wala ka pa, try to ask the person who invited you para mag-guided ka na meron ka na lahat. And by the way, each of these steps, meron po siyang proper calculation on how to do it. Okay? But I will not tackle more about it kasi it will take time. Meron tayong financial check-up about this na topic, so you may attend as the person who invited you para meron kang understanding more sa financial needs mo. One of the best concepts that I learned as well in IMG is itong the X-curve concept. Parang ito yung X-curve ng buhay, no? From the younger years to older years. So, darating tayo dito, guys, no? Natatanda tayo. Pero in the middle, no, we can do something about it if we want to have either a good retirement or a struggling retirement, 'di ba? Nakadepende po 'yan sa decision na gagawin niyo tonight. So, kung ngayon, no, you are young, of course, we have a lot of responsibilities and mga needs naman, 'di ba? That's normal, especially kung breadwinner ka. Like ako, I am a breadwinner sa family. I am the eldest. So, yung income ko actually is not only for me. No, I also support my mga kapatid and also my mother, no? So, meaning mas kailangan ko talagang kumayod, mas kailangan ko talagang mag-earn ng extra income. Kasi kung one source of income lang, nasa kanila lahat, 'di ba, ng income ko. Pag wala kang extra income, paano na lang yung future family mo, 'di ba? Kailangan ngayon paghandaan mo na yung magiging future mo. And we can do something about it in between. IMG will be able to guide you and educate you. We have different financial classes and also your mentor can also guide you. Na in between, you can do something so that you can increase your money line as you grow old. And your responsibility line will go down. The good thing is, nag-attend ka ngayon, di ba? So you can change something. Of course, baka may nag-attend tayo dito na millennials na. Hi, ma'am, sir. Ayan. You can still do something even though limited na lang yung time kasi you're close to retirement na. But what more you can do is to teach your kids and even your grandkids, no? To change, no, the way they think about and decide about on their finances. This is the rule of 72, the power of compounding interest. Ito yung application na naman sa pag-i-invest mo ng pera mo. So this is a very good concept formulated by Albert Einstein. 72, i-divide mo daw siya ng interest na binigay sa iyo is equal to the number of years na mag-double yung pera mo. So right now, as what you can see, may tatlo po siya na, let's say magkakaibigan sila. No? 3 persons, 3 friends, tapos nag-save sila ng 100,000. They started at the age of 29 and they retired at the age of 65. Pero yung kaibahan, nilagay nila sa different interest rate. Yung person A, that's 4%, si person B, 8%, and si person C, 12%. So kung titingnan natin itong si 4%, di ba? 29 siya nag-start. So 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18. So 18 years, nagdo-double yung pera niya. So that's why 29 plus 18 is equal to 47. So 100,000 becomes 200,000. And 47 plus another 18 years at the age of 65, yung 200K nagiging 400,000. So, yan yung sa 4%. Sa 8% naman, naging 1.6 million siya. And sa 12%, naging 6.4 million siya. So, kung titingnan natin, mas malaki, di ba? Mas malaki yung 12%. Kasi aside na malaki yung interest niya, malaki din actually yung retirement fund na nakuha niya. But reality, no? Ito yung how the compounding of money works. Pero yung reality right now, before ka naka-attend ng seminar na to, saan mo nilalagay yung pera mo? 'Di ba? 'Di ba usually tayo pag may extra income, bangko, 'di ba? Kung may savings tayo, bangko yung naiisip natin. Well, there's no bad thing about saving money or putting your money in the bank. Kasi ako, I also have funds in the banks. Pero kung titingnan mo na pang long term yan, let's say, nilagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko dahil pang education ng anak mo, pang retirement mo, or pang ano mo pa dyan, hindi yan tama. 'Di ba? Kasi yung bangko is only for emergency. 'Di ba? Kaya nga ang daming mga ATM machines kung saan-saan na kanto kasi easy withdrawal yung purpose. Pag may emergency need ka, makaka-withdraw ka easily. No? So right now, anyway, this is another topic. You can attend another class for this where the bank invests our money. Di ba? Kasi pwede kang dumiretso kung saan nag-invest yung bangko sa kung saan nag-invest yung bangko na mas malaki yung kitaan, pwedeng dumiretso ka doon, 'di ba? O ask the person who invited you kasi may another talk tayo about it. Another link din 'yan. But again, banks are good. It's just that you need to know how to diversify your funds. And we will guide and teach you on how to get the 8 to 12% para din naman mas malaki yung kita mo compared sa iba, di ba? Ayan, so do you know about savings and investments? Ito nga yung sinabi ko kanina na yung savings account sa bank is less yung interest rate and inflation and taxes pa, mas lugi ka talaga, no? So make sure that you know how stock market and mutual funds work. And yan, ito yung different topics. And I think we have 10 p.m. schedule topic or class about this tonight. It's another link na it will be discussed later. So this one, do you know about long-term care? Ito naman guys, this is for our retirement na healthcare needs, no? So make sure na kahit bata ka pa right now, you already have a plan or a healthcare plan intended for your retirement years. Kasi pag nag-retire ka tapos dun ka pa mag-prepare na kumuha ng healthcare plan mo, may malaki yung chance na hindi ka talaga makakuha na or hindi ka na pwedeng kumuha. Kasi malaki na yung age mo at hindi ka na acceptable. So make sure na right now meron kang long-term healthcare. Okay? And this is one of the best healthcare program in the Philippines right now. And I believe this is the only long-term healthcare in the Philippines that will cover you lifetime as long as you have funds, but you only need to save lang 7 years. Bakalain mo 7 years lang tapos na. Diba? Kung nasimulan mo kaya ito before, diba? Baka tapos na rin siya, diba? So, ayan, as a person who invited you para din, diba, ma-maximize mo na meron palang ganito para hindi ka mag-regret sa mga plans na kinukuha mo, di ba? But other plans as well are good, no? It's just that this is, makaka-take advantage ka sa benefit nito. Okay, so this is how it works. Pero hindi ko siya i-discuss in detail kasi magte-take siya ng time. So we have another topic about this. It's more on understanding the proper healthcare, no? In the Philippines. So ask another link from the person who invited you. It's a good thing, guys, if you have an access to IMG or you are part of IMG because iba-ibang topic yung malalaman mo dito eh. You will really be educated enough dun sa terms in the field of finances, no? Maganda yung may mga alam ka nito, di ba? Kaysa naman wala tayong alam, no? Parang lamang talaga, no? Mas lamang ang may alam. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about the benefits. Ito yung pinakahihintay nyo na, ano mga benefits ng IMG, di ba? So we are in the membership platform. So since it is a membership platform, we have a membership fee. So aside from the membership fee that we have the benefits of 48. So 48 lahat, try to check saan sa mga benefits na to yung pwede kong i-take advantage. Kasi lahat pwede naman mong i-take advantage. Pwede mong actually i-maximize lahat ng benefits. Pwede mong magamit. Pero like ako, nag-join lang ako before because I wanted to have the unlimited financial education trainings. Di ba? Ang mahal kasi guys mag-enroll ng financial literacy, no? Before. Ang mahal talaga. You need to be updated, tapos mag-attend ka pa magbayad ka pa every quarter, every year. Tapos dito sa IMG, one time, lifetime na. Kaya dito talaga ako na sold out. Kasi yung membership fee nila hindi ganun kalaki. So, but along the way, my reason of joining was changed din naman, no? Yan, natuto ako sa saving, sa investment na part, nag-travel din, naka-earn ng income, until I was able to fire my boss, di ba? So, i-fire nyo na din yung mga boss nyo, no? Later on in the future. So, I'll go through all the benefits and take a look at it kung ano yung gusto mo, pinaka gusto mo. Pili ka ng top 5, okay? Kasi 48 lahat to. So, make sure makikinig ka, di ba? Kasi baka ma-miss mo. So, ilista mo kung gusto mo to, no? As part of your top 5 na i-benefit mo or maximize. So, we have the free financial education benefit, and this includes the free ebook, no? You will have an access of this dun sa portal mo. We also have the workshop, and this workshop has all of these topics, 5 topics po siya. How to increase your cash flow, walain yung utang mo, build a solid financial foundation, how to accumulate wealth, yan. Nandun yan, yung topic na yan. How to have an early retirement planning even you're still on your teens, di ba? Or early 20s, you can already do that. Kasi kung nag-start ka ng early 20s, you can retire at your early 30s, di ba? So, yan, nandun yan. Isa ito sa pinaka-the best na topic na gusto ko actually. And how to build business in the financial industry. Because financial industry is the wealthiest industry among all the industries in the world, no? Number 8, we also have the free financial check-up. Yan, so end of the year na guys, so make sure nakapa-annual physical exam na kayo, no? Kasi yung health check-up natin, that's supposed to be every year. That should be, no? Not supposed to be, but that should be every year. No? Kailangan ma-check ka ng doctor. But in terms of finances, of course, hindi doctor yung gagawa niyan. Kailangan isang financial expert or financial educator. So make sure before ma-end yung year, nakapa-check up ka na din sa finances mo sa isang financial expert or financial educator. So we have like a topic about this dito sa IMG. Number 9, you can also be an associate financial planner if you wanted to do this part-time. You will have an access for this. And meron tayong libreng gifts, di ba? Dahil Pasko nga, automatic na to. Once member ka ng IMG, 100,000 accidental insurance, nandun na. You can actually maximize that. Of course, if you are a CEO and up, like for example ako, 300,000 na yung sa akin, no? And number 11, kung gusto mo magpa-cover ng pang-memorial, then you just need to add around 500 pesos lang, no? For you to have the 50,000, no, na memorial. Ito na yung, di ba, mga gamit, mga pangkape, di ba? So, gagastos, kahit naman kunin tayo ng maaga ni Lord, may gastos pa rin, di ba? So, number 12, ito, libre pa din to na gift, di ba? Mga maagang pamasko ata to ng IMG. Meron kang free na check-up twice a year sa De Los Reyes Optical, and free na din yung frame mo, no? So, basically, kung may magpa-check up ka sa mata or may problema ka sa eyes mo, then ang bilhin mo lang is yung lens, no? So ako, tapos yung family ko din, na maximize na namin yung benefit na to. And we really saved a lot. Number 13, we have free unlimited consultation for IMG members. Sa Kaiser Medical Center, libre po siya. Kahit araw-araw ka doon, oras-oras, minuto, pakita mo lang yung voucher mo, then libre talaga siya. And I tell you guys, nagamit ko na to talagang siguro mga 30 plus times na, no? Kasi ang ganda. Sa private doctor kasi, kung hindi nyo alam, like dito sa Cebu, it will cost you mga 500 to 750 pesos per check-up. No, I don't know kung saan ka ngayon, baka mas mahal yung sa inyo or baka mas less, pero yun yung rate dito. And to think, like how many times ka magpa-check up sa buong buhay mo, di ba? Dito lang, you just pay a membership fee and that's it's already lifetime. Number 14, of course, discounted it sa mga laboratory examinations, no, sa mga members. And what if family member din natin yung magpa-check up, they are also discounted sa check-up and lab tests. Ito, kung yung inquiry mo is about how to invest in stock market or mga Dito or Jollibee and other biggest companies in the Philippines, then this is for you, no? So, this is for you. It's because lahat ng members ng IMG, automatic investors na ng mutual funds, di ba? Meron ka ng 1,000 pesos na makikita dun sa portal mo, i-activate mo lang para mabili mo na siya ng shares after signing up with IMG. So, congratulations, di ba? Sa pagpa-member mo, automatic na investor ka na and shareholder ka na. Number 17, Ito naman yung different types of healthcare, no, which is offered by Kaiser. So you will get to know more about the long-term care, senior care, and short-term healthcare. So nandun siya. Ito, this is from the most 18 Manila Bankers Life. We have the IRA and Everest. Number 18 benefit, guys, we'll talk about more on the insurance. So pwede ka magpa-insure dito ng 1 million, 3 million, or even 5 million and up, with a very hindi naman siya cheap, pero cheaper siya compared kung bibili ka sa labas. No, makikita mo talaga siya even if mag-inquire ka sa labas, guys, tapos i-check mo dito yung difference, 'di ba? O see it to yourself na lang. No, na talagang mas less dito. So, mas maganda kasi pag ikaw yung naka-compare, 'di ba? Kaysa sasabihin lang, no? And that's what I usually do with my friends if they don't believe, 'di ba? O magpa-quote ka doon, tapos i-quote kita dito. Oh, tapos tingnan mo yung difference. What is, 'di ba? Hindi na ako magpo-push sa kanila kasi sila na mismo yung nakakita talaga. So, yan, you can kasi makaka-save ka, 'di ba? Makaka-save ka pag less yung premium na ano mo, binayad mo. Number 19, ito naman sa mga members lang ng IMG na meron tayong mga special trainings, special seminars, special investment classes, and hindi pwede yung iba, no? Ikaw lang na member ng IMG yung may access. Especially sa mga pinaka-the best talaga na financial guru, no, dito sa Philippines, si Boss Rex Mendoza. Talagang doon ako natuto so much from him in terms of investing, no? So, yan, makikilala at ma-access nyo din yung mga trainings niya once member kayo ng IMG. At mahal, guys. Mahal yung mga training na gano'n. Dito libre lang kasi member ka. Eto, you want to do direct trading, you can access this from my trade. We are already partnered as well with Palawan Pawn Shop. So all IMG transactions, IMG related transactions, that's discounted. Okay? If you have also like mga buildings, businesses, car, mga anything na non-life, then gusto mong kunan ng insurance, let's say bahay mo, di ba? Mga 5 million or 3 million yung amount niyan, tapos baka masunog, di ba? Baka magkaroon ng typhoon or mag-earthquake. Sayang din naman yung 3 million, wala pa included yung, di ba, nasa loob ng bahay ng mga appliances. So, kung gusto mo, ipa-insure din siya ng 3 million or 5 million para kahit masunog man yan, di ba? So, meron ka pa ring amount of money na in return, same sa amount na in-invest mo. So, pwedeng kang discount or maka-less dun sa pagpa-insured ng sasakyan or ng bahay or anything which is precious to you. So, less din siya. Kasi right now, kung hindi mo alam, let's say may sasakyan ka, yung insurance ng sasakyan mo, di ba? Yung naka-commission yan, agent mo, di ba? Ngayon, IMG ka na, ikaw na lang. Number 23, ito naman kung kukuha ka ng mga condo, house and lot, di ba? We're partnered with SMDC, Ayala Land, and DMCI. 24, this is Heaven of Infinity. It's a memorial lot. If you want to explore about writing a book, become an author through online or digital marketing, how to build email marketing or funnels, then you will have an access to discounts from these mga experts in terms of their field dito sa Philippines, no? Yan, may access ka sa kanila. Number 29, this is from Everest Memorial Service. 24/7 na memorial concierge sa Philippines, no? Tatawag lang sa number na to kung mag-pass away yung member ng IMG. Then discounted po at sila po yung mag-aasikaso din in terms of, kung kunin na tayo ni Lord, 'di ba? So, you can also, number 13 na benefit, you can create your own company, no? Sa family mo. Para naman yung mga assets na binibili mo ngayon, mga investments mo, hindi siya mawala. Or baka pag-awayan yan, di ba? Ng mga relatives natin. Yun yung nangyayari sa probinsya, di ba? O mga lupa, di ba? Nag-aaway-away, di ba? Kalain mo naman kung ilang hectares, di ba? Ang liit-liit lang. No? So, preserve your asset. You contact the APS. This is also included in your portal. No? Nasa portal mo yan. Discounted din yung price para maka-create ka din ng sarili mong korporasyon. Example, kung si Ayala, may Ayala Corporation, si SM, 'di ba? Si Henry C may SM. 'Di ba? Ikaw gawa ka din ng sarili mo, 'di ba? So pwede 'yan para you have your own corporation. And you're planning to have or to buy a car, whether it's a free through a banking process or a cash, then you can coordinate with us. You will have a discount, no? Napakalaki na discount nito, guys, mga 100,000 plus, no? Yan. And also this part, ito naman yung rewards. Kung gusto mong maging part-timer sa IMG, no, nasa financial industry ka, you own the business which is IMG, you can earn extra income. You can also travel the world with us, no? Next year or hopefully by year after next. Like ako, I'm already qualified for London, no? That's free trip. All expenses paid by the company, tapos with allowance pa. So, after ng pandemic, then see you guys in London, di ba? Of course, kung ako yung magbabayad, guys, ang laki niyan. Parang kulangin yung 100,000, di ba? All expenses sa London. So, dito sa IMG, we have free trips, no? So, lahat ng mga travels ko, it's all IMG. Wala po akong personal dyan, especially yung mga international. And number 34, ito yung world-class recognition. Of course, you can get your millionaire ring earner pins, Rolex inspired watch and car. Everything can be delivered and can be given, no, from IMG. But you just need to do the business side and help a lot of people become financially educated as well. Number 33, you can take advantage of the free healthcare, no, na bigay ng company. I already qualified for this as well for the next year, 2021 whole year. And the coverage in my case, it's 150,000 per illness per year. Libre po yan. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, no, hindi ko pa naman po nagamit yung for this year, even though I was covered for around mga 100,000 per illness per year. Yan, hindi ko nagamit, no? And just in case lang naman, kasi ang laki din naman ng 100,000, di ba? Kung magkasakit tayo. Ito naman, ito yung powerful membership portal natin. You can check this out in your portal. We also have the digital marketing platform wherein you can explore how to do online marketing. And you will receive a lot of newsletters, emails, and updates from IMG through the registered email na ginamit mo. And all the commissions, transfer of funds, paying of bills through our online kiosk, meron kang access sa NeuraCash. Diba? Kung si Globe may GCash, si IMG meron din tayong NeuraCash. So, convenient siya. So, makikita niyo yan sa portal nyo. Di ba? Ang dami. Di ba? Tumigil na nga tayo kasi ang dami na. Di ba? Okay, number 40. Ito yung exclusive money platform for all the international member guys. Whether you are located in Europe, in US, or other Asian countries, or even in Middle East, you will have your own Visa card. So, dito nyo makita yung mga, di ba, mga funds nyo. We also have an exclusive events only for international members na hindi pwede yung local members in the Philippines. So, you guys are really special. Number 42, ayan, exclusive runs and contests na exclusive lang din for Korea, exclusive lang for Japan, for US, or for Italy, for Dubai, for Riyadh, or Saudi, no? Sa inyo lang, no? Yun yung napakaganda pag international member ka. And of course, this was released, yung additional na international members benefits, recently lang po since last month. So, very lucky ka kung nakinig ka ngayon, naka-attend ka, tapos ikaw yung pinakauna na maka-maximize nito, no? We have what we call worldwide protection. This will include mga accidental death, burial, ayan, may mga 500,000 yan, mga 100,000, acts of terrorism, mga murder and assault, no? 600,000. So, wag naman sana, di ba? Just in case lang naman. So, yan covered ka once you are an international member of IMG. Ito guys, hindi ko na isa-isahin, no? Kasi ang dami po niyan. Pero this accidental disablement benefit, in short, ito po yung mga ma-aksidente tayo, naputulan tayo ng kamay, isang paa, di ba? Mga, ano ba yan? 1 foot, 1 finger, ayan. So, meron po siyang mga equivalent, no? Kung, ayan, 2 paa yan, 500,000. Baka yung isang paa dito, 250,000. Loss of hand, o, di ba? So, at least, di ba, may coverage ka, di ba? Baka wala kang coverage right now. Mag-member ka na ng IMG, no? Just in case. Okay, so ayan. O, may nag-chat na. O, tsaka na yung mga tanong, guys. Now, become an IMG member, i-maximize yung benefits. I hope nakalista ka ng top 5 na gusto mo, di ba? Sa lahat ba naman ng sinabi ko na 48, no? Lista mo dyan. You can log into your portal after the confirmation of your membership fee. You access all the benefits like this one. This is my account. And these are all the benefits that I can access. So you can explore, no? Anyway, once you're a new member, we will guide you as well on how to access your portal. And of course, all the investments that you have, you can check it out on your own portal. And makikita nyo dito yung mga certifications of your 50,000 memorial insurance from Fidelity. You will also have this accidental insurance, like my 300,000 pesos accidental insurance, nandito po siya. And you will also have your own voucher for your free checkup from De Los Reyes Optical. Your Kaiser Medical Center Checkup Unlimited, no? And discount on laboratory test, nandito siya. And of course, kung hindi ka na late kanina, napakinggan mo to. So kung na late ka, punta ka sa YouTube, di ba? Search mo yung IMG Turning Point stories natin doon and be inspired, no? From the people, from all walks of life. Baka isa kang teacher na nakinig ngayon, isa kang OFW, isa kang doktor, isa kang ordinaryong empleyado, isa kang housewife, seaman ka, di ba? So, engineer ka, no? Or kahit ano ka pa, di ba? So, tingnan mo to doon, okay? And, of course, kung hindi ka pa milyonaryo, no? I-declare mo sa family mo that you will be the first millionaire in your family. And you can be, no? You can be through IMG. Ito yung mga samples. So, how to start? Very simple. Become a part of this organization, International Marketing Group. Become a lifetime member of IMG. Ask the person who invited you for proper assistance. Take a screenshot of this account, accredited banks natin. And you can also do Palawan, no, payment. Just access or have a coordination from the person who invited you. Kasi sila yung pinaka-the best na makaka-guide sa inyo. Same thing with fund transfer using PayPal, GCash, any cards that you have. Okay? So, ayan. So, double check yung number. Baka isang number magkamali kayo, mapunta yan sa ibang account. Okay? Ayan. And of course, before I end, let me just share with you, no, one of the best quotes I learned along my way in my journey here sa company na to. This is coming from Bill Gates. Tapos sabi niya, if you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's already your mistake. May point din naman si Bill Gates, di ba? Kasi hindi naman natin kasalanan kung pinanganak tayong mahirap or yung parents natin or yung lolo't lola natin wala talagang alam or walang pera masyado, di ba? Kasi hindi naman sila naturuan ng ganito before. Pero tayo, especially naka-attend na tayo ng financial class, tapos hindi pa natin in-apply, tapos later on we will, di ba, die poor, then I believe it's already our mistake. Kasi I believe si Lord walang reason na you came here, you attended this orientation without any reason. May rason 'yan. Pero baka nag-pray ka, 'di ba? Nag-pray ka tapos ito na yung answered prayer pero hindi ka nag-take action. Nag-pray ka, dininig ni Lord yung panalangin mo, wag mo namang hintayin din si Lord na yung mag-decide para sa iyo, 'di ba? So ikaw na, 'di ba? Kasi binigay na ni Lord, 'di ba? So ikaw na yung mag-decide, 'di ba? Mag-decide ka na para sa sarili mo. Okay, so this is my official Facebook account. All right. So for any questions, as a person who invited you, but you can also contact me, if you have questions. This is my contact number and email address. My WhatsApp as well is the same, and my Viber. Okay. So guys, I hope you learned something tonight, for like an hour and 1 minute, Nag-exceed tayo 8:01 na. And I hope na aside from natuto kayo is you will also apply what you have learned. Kasi if ako before, hindi ko in-apply or hindi ako nag-take action those years back when I heard about IMG, baka hanggang ngayon is nag-work pa rin ako sa call center or kaya nag-abroad. Yun talaga yung naisip ko lang na way para magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan ba. So good thing lang I found IMG earlier, So I was able to also resign earlier and maximize, yung mga dapat kong kailangan gawin at the early stage. But of course, if you are 30 years old right now, 40, 50, or even 60 years old, it's not yet too late, diba? As long as you parang i-maximize mo yung remaining years na na-lost mo ba? Or yung past years na na-lost. Let's say, sana nag-umpisa ako 4 years pa, 5 years ago pa. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. So ngayon na-realize mo na, then bawiin mo, Bawiin mo yung mga years na sinayang mo, Take advantage of what you have right now, which is, I believe, before ma-end yung 2020, if nothing great happened to you or something big change happened to you, then make your decision as becoming part of IMG as one of your biggest decisions for this year, 2020. So thank you very much, everyone, and to God be all the glory. Good evening, and ingat-ingat po wherever you are. And back to you, host.
Okay,